Good morning, everyone. This is MedCity CPA, and we're going to talk about how to put together a pivot table. Here we have two columns, column A, column B. Now we're going to enter in some data. Let's see. Let's just throw them some numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's do apples, oranges, pears, bananas. Oops. Oops. Let's do bread and books. And all you have to do is select the columns that you want. Go up to Insert, Pivot Table. It'll ask you, is that the data? It looks like it is. We're going to enter it into a new worksheet. Hit OK. And now we have column A and column B totaled. Let's see, we probably don't want the sums. We probably want the apples and oranges, and you can move them around just like so. There we go. That's a short tutorial on pivot tables.